So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you another newly launched base meme coin here, a low cap meme coin but high potential meme coin here. Baby BNB's name, and this meme coin is going to list on KuCoin exchange today. Okay, already this meme coin is listed on two centralized exchanges, but today this meme coin is going to list on KuCoin exchange. KuCoin exchange official has announced right now that they are going to list Baby BNB coin. Okay, after Baby Dogecoin listing on Binance exchange, right now there are too many meme coins launching with that narrative. Okay, just like Baby Cat, okay, Baby BNB. Okay, but this meme coin is now skyrocketed here. You can see its chart was okay initially here, okay, 0.7507, but right now this meme coin hit $0.095 price, so this is also good. Okay, you can see first $83 million market cap, so this is amazing. Okay, $83 million market cap, and just few days ago this meme coin was launched here. Last 24-hour trading volume is $3.6 million. This is also good. 1 billion coin supply all in circulation. This is also good. Coin is working on Binance Smart Chain. Obviously its name is Baby BNB. Okay, so that's why. And I can see friends, Baby BNB Fun. Okay, it's website name. This is a meme coin on Binance Smart Chain. We are just 41% down than its all-time high. There were 4 days ago, and its all-time low was $0.06, from where we are 23% up here. Okay, that was just 20 hours ago only. Coin is already listed on Gadget.io, MEXC. There are two central exchanges where this meme coin is listed, but I will share you later that KuCoin has also make announcement of its listing. Okay, that maybe soon we can see its listing on KuCoin exchange today. Okay friends, and I'm not suggesting you to buy this meme coin at this current price, because already this meme coin is pump huge. But after KuCoin exchange listing, maybe it's possible that we can see a good jump in this meme coin price, and then I can also make entry in this meme coin. But friends, it's also possible that we can see its Binance listing also after KuCoin exchange listing. Maybe this meme coin can list on Binance exchange, because you can see its name is BNB. Okay, Baby BNB, a Binance Smart Chain blockchain meme coin, so that's why it's possible that we can see maybe it's listing on Binance Binance exchange also. Okay friends, so you can see website is looking good. You can copy this contract address and you can buy this meme coin from PancakeSwap exchange also. Okay, you can see all further details on their website. What is Baby BNB? Okay, this is a short BNB, a meme coin here. Okay, and after CZ releasing this meme coin is launched here. Okay, so there's no more high information on their website, but information provide here on website is good. First on BSC scan, you can also check out holders. The number of holders are right now reached 10,000. Okay, so this is awesome, because just 5 to 10 days of its launching, this meme coin reached 10,000 holders. So this is really amazing. Friends, when you are clicking here on holders, you can check out holders holding also. Okay, highest holding in this wallet, okay, has 42% holding. So this is I think this is the bad thing about this meme coin only, that this wallet holds 42% of total supply. Okay, and all other wallets have 1%, 2%. So this is good, but this wallet, main wallet, has creator, I think, has 42% of coins. Okay, so this is only bad thing about this project. Okay, otherwise project is no doubt looking good. More than 10,000 holders within just few days of its launching, and KuCoin exchange is also going to list this meme coin. I will right now show you here. But friends, if you want to make investment in this meme coin, you should not ignore this. Okay, you can read this notification clearly. Okay, that this meme coin can be highly risky also, and you can must read this meme coin before make investment in this meme coin. So friends, right now you can see when I'm opening KuCoin exchange, you can see on its main page Baby BNB is right now here. You can see newly listed 1 hour ago. Okay, so right now this meme coin is listed on KuCoin exchange, so this is amazing. Okay, so that's the reason, that's why, as I already told you, maybe after KuCoin exchange listing today, maybe in few days Binance exchange can also list this meme coin because of its name. Okay, this is a Binance Smart Chain blockchain meme coin and Baby BNB's name, so that's the reason, that's why maybe we can see Baby BNB listing on Binance exchange also. What do you think? Is this meme coin is legit and can list on Binance exchange and be the next 1000x potential here or not? So you can must comment down below.